there are many solutions. Don't pollute water and air. Don't throw garbage here and there. You can do something now or never. Let's save our earth forever.